Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to this afternoon edition of Coronavirus Disease COVID 19 What You Need to Know. Let's begin. First up, let's begin with the COVID 19 in New Hampshire information. And here's a look at that COVID 19 in New Hampshire information, what you need to know. There are 1,938 number of people in New Hampshire who have tested positive for COVID-19. 100,843 number of people in the United States who have tested positive. 60 number of deaths from COVID-19 in New Hampshire. 246 number of people who have been hospitalized with COVID-19 in New Hampshire. And 56,649 number of deaths from COVID-19 in the United States. This map of New Hampshire right here shows you where cases of COVID-19 are in towns and cities of New Hampshire. In Manchester, 405 cases of COVID-19. This chart here, new cases each day in New Hampshire in the purple, daily new positive COVID-19 cases in the orange, new hospitalizations, and in the red are the deaths. Current cases in the purple, total current COVID-19 cases, and in the orange, current hospitalizations. Cumulative totals. In the purple, total positive COVID-19 cases, in the orange, total hospitalizations, and in the red are the deaths, and in the blue, recovered. By age group, by sex, risk information, race/ethnicity of cases, and percent of New Hampshire population. And your common symptoms: fever, lack of smell, cough, chills, and difficult breathing. How it spreads, and prevention tips. Now let's take a look at Massachusetts information and data. This is from Monday, yesterday. We're still waiting for today's information to come out, but let's take a look at Monday's information. Coronavirus impact. New cases 1,524. Total tested 244,887. Total cases 56,462. Long-term care home deaths 1,698, and total deaths 3,300. That is a look from Monday, April 27th. Now let's take a look at Maine's information. Maine CDC announces 17 new coronavirus cases, no new deaths. 585 people have recovered from the virus, the CDC said. The Maine Center for Disease Control and Prevention announced 17 new cases of coronavirus on Tuesday, bringing the state's total to 1,400. The number of confirmed cases is likely an underrepresentation of the actual amount of cases in Maine, since not all individuals are being tested. No new deaths were announced. The Maine CDC said 585 people have recovered from the virus, an increase of 36 from Monday. Coronavirus updates. U.S. cases top 1 million. There are now at least 1,240,498 confirmed cases in the U.S. Global cases surpass 3 million. U.S. cases top 1 million. The world should have listened. You, who says? NYC doctor who treated coronavirus patients dies by suicide. And that does it for this afternoon edition of Coronavirus Disease COVID-19, What You Need to Know. Thank you for watching this afternoon edition. Have a great rest of your afternoon. I'll see you back here tomorrow for another edition of Coronavirus Disease COVID-19, What You Need to Know. Have a great rest of your Tuesday afternoon, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.